Let's take a look on open education resources. Indian resources are National Digital Library, SWAYAM, PG Pathshala, NROER, National Repository of Open Education Resources, Pathshala, Shodh Sindhu, VIDWAN, FOSSEE, Virtual Labs. FOSSEE and Virtual Labs are for lab simulation sites. Then there are other resources also, that is OER Commons, OpenStack Chemistry, Humboldt State University, Fox Valley Technical College for free open education resource textbooks, and Concordia University, to name a few. There are so many other sites also which are available for open education as open education resources. Let's explore these open education resources one by one. So first we'll click on National Digital Library of India by clicking on National Digital Library from Chrome browser. Then first of all, what you have to do is just go and log in. And if you are not registered yet, then please register yourself first. So I have already registered with the National Digital Library. So I am going to log in now. So it is mandatory to log in first. If you are not registered with the National Digital Library, then you won't be able to save the content you wanted from this National Digital Library. So to save a content, to download a content, you have to log in first. So I am going to log in, right? So once you log in into the National Digital Library, then you can click on the browse button and according to your need, click on the type, what you want to browse, right? For example, I want to browse about atomic structure notes. For example, I want to download or want to save atomic structure notes. So click here, right here, atomic structure notes, and search. So when you click on search, so these options will appear. See, atomic structure notes. So many options will appear. And now what content you want? You want text, audio, video, or what content you want, that click on that content, right? So for example, I want a text, right? So click on the text, and from left side of this window, you can choose the educational level also. So click on the educational level. For example, I want for UG and PG. So click on UG and PG, and so these options will appear, right? Now, if you want to select for 11th or 12th class, so click on 11th and 12th. So 11th and 12th and UG. So these options will appear. For example, I don't want to look for UG and PG. I just want to look for +1 and +2. So these options will appear. And when you click on, first you have to look what you wanted to download or what you want to save the content. So for example, I want atomic models of atom. So click on this, and this window will appear, right? And there are so many options on the right hand side of the window. So you can choose from here also. For example, I have clicked on the atomic models of atoms. So see, so this content appeared in this window, right? So in this way, you can search for the topic you want to access for, and you want to share with your students. If you want to share this content with your students, you can do one thing also, that you can simply copy this link and share with your students. So they can directly will be able to access this content. So one method is this, right? So in this way, you can browse whatever topic you want to search for from the National Digital Library. I want to browse by learning resource. So click on learning resource. So these options will appear. For example, I am looking for a particular book. So click on the book, right? Then click on the subject category. So choose subject category, for example, natural sciences and mathematics. Write your search topic. For example, I want book on electrochemistry. So type electrochemistry and search. So see, these books on electrochemistry are now there in front of you, and this symbol shows that these resources are open. So you can use them for as many time as you can, right? So you can explore this option also. So here a lock icon is there. That means these are not open. Means you have to you don't have an open access for these books. So which the book of a particular author, if you want, so you can select that particular authored book from these sources as. Now let's see the SWAYAM platform, right? So for that, click write SWAYAM on the Google Chrome, then click on the SWAYAM Central, and this page will open, right? I have already registered for SWAYAM, so that's why my email ID is there, and I got logged in because I have saved the password for this. And if you click here, let COVID-19 not stop your learning, continue with SWAYAM. So when you click here, so SWAYAM online courses will appear. So these options will appear, right? So you can, for example, if you want to search for NCERT textbooks, so you can click here. For non-engineering, engineering books, right? For e-books for classes 1 to 12, secondary, NCERT, etc. books are there. So there is one more option here, conduct scientific experiments virtually. So if you click here, it will take you to virtual labs, right? So these are the virtual labs on different subjects. So electronic communication, etc. So this is for chemical sciences. So I'll explain you all these virtual labs in my next video.